Here we go. All right. We are going to, oh no, we're going to do both today. This isn't, is this going to be day one? Yes. Okay. So this is not only double angle, but we're also doing half angle identities today. So we'll be 2 days. Okay. Half of these we're going to derive. I'm going to derive one of them with you, and you're going to derive two with your partner yourself. And then the second ones, the half angle identities, we're just going to write in. So here we go. All right, we're going to start with cosine of 2a. So a double angle identity, just like before when we were saying that like the cosine of a plus b, those were the addition formulas, right? This is just doubling an angle. So I'm going to prove it to you like this. Here's how we're going to derive it. I'm going to say that cosine of 2a is the same thing as cosine of a plus a. Do you guys agree with that? And we know an addition formula for this, so flip to the back of your unit circle. And you're going to fill in cosine of a plus b, only instead I'm going to write cosine of a plus a is the cosine of a times the cosine of a minus the sine of a sine of a. So basically I'm using this formula right here, but instead of writing a's and b's, I'm writing a's and a's. What's cosine a times cosine a? Cosine squared a minus? And that's our first double angle formula. So on your back of your green sheet, in the second section, we're going to write double angle identities. The cosine of 2a is the same thing as cosine squared a minus sine squared a. By the way, if you're wondering how much space to use, here are the double angle identities. See how the tangent one kind of requires double the amount of space because it's got a fraction involved. All right. So you are going to try with your partner right now to find the sine of 2a, that formula. In fact, I'm going to tell you right now that the sine, let's write them out. I'm just going to tell you the answers right now, and then you can compare them to you proving it on your own. So everybody write it on your unit circle. The sine of 2a is equal to 2 sine a cosine a. And the double angle formula for tangent is 2 tangent a divided by 1 minus tangent squared a. Isn't it weird that half the time I write my 2's one way and half the time I write my 2's a different way? All right. So go ahead and try with your partner the exact same thing. I want you to write the sine of 2a equals the sine of a plus a, and try to derive the formula that's on the back of your unit circle now. Does anybody need this back up? All right, start talking to your partner. You two, you were here for some of it. Okay, so what you two right now, what I want you to do is copy these down first, just the bottom section on the back of your unit circle. You've already got the first two, and then copy down the other four. Talk to each other. Come on, talk to each other. Human words, out loud. You can do it.
So it's, you're saying it's the same thing as sine A plus A. That's 2A, and then it's just around. And then because they're the same. It's sine of sine. So you don't have to have like x plus x, that's just it's the same, it's just like a variable. These are both the same. Instead of writing them both out, you should just write 2 plus sine x. Yeah, that's
Are you talking about Math Wizards? You talking about Math Wizards?
We're trying to figure out who's on.
Um,
The memory I have from Math Wizards is climbing over the bus seats on the way home, like trying so like the driver was to see us. Remember that?
tell me about the competition. Was it actually like a team competition or was it individual?
Individual.
And it's all on paper?
Yeah. And then, yeah, they just grade it and give you awards at the end if you did well.
Penny's very excited. Zandy said to her after he figured out that what it was, he goes, Penny, maybe you might, there's only 6 people, you might come in second place. And she's like, there's 6 people from lots of schools, Zandy, maybe even more than 6 people. And he goes, oh, maybe like 5th place then, huh? And I was like, I also thought it was funny that when he thought there were only 6 people in the competition, he